In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can make $1,000 per day without any effort using artificial intelligence that nobody knows about. And no, it's not ChatGPT like you may be thinking. Starting dropshipping in 2024 can be extremely time consuming for new beginners. There's so many things you have to get right before you make your first ever sale. You have to build a website, you have to import products, you have to write copywriting for those products, and much more. Especially with all this information out there on how to start dropshipping, regular people like you and I can feel extremely lost when first starting out. Which is exactly why I'll be showing you this AI tool that's completely free, and it will do all of those things for you in under 12 minutes. So the first thing you need to do is click the top link in the description of this video where it says AI Store Builder, and you're going to be taken to this page right here. Once in here, you're going to put your email, and then you're going to hit access. Then you're going to put your name, and you're going to create a password. And once you create the password, all you have to hit is I have read and agreed to terms of service and hit access. And the first thing inside the AI Store Builder is you have to pick your store color. So for this store, we're going to go for green, and we're going to hit done. Now it's the part where we pick the banners for our home page. So for this store, we're going to go with the free shipping option, and we're also going to go with the you'll find the best products here. And then you're going to hit done. Now it's the step where we open a store on Shopify. So you're just going to scroll all the way down, and you're going to hit access Shopify. Once here, you're going to insert your email again, and you're going to hit start free trial. Now you're just going to hit skip all. You're going to keep the country United States. You're going to hit next, and now you're going to hit sign up with email. Now you're just going to create a password for your Shopify store, and then you're going to hit create Shopify account. Once your Shopify store is created, you can go back to the AI Store Builder, and you're going to hit done. Now it's going to ask you to connect your Shopify store to the AI Store Builder. You're just going to scroll down, you're going to hit access Shopify, and then you're just going to copy the URL at the top, go back to the AI Store Builder, and just paste it in inside the URL tab, and you're just going to hit save. Once you save, you can hit done. Now it's time for us to configure the AI Store Builder inside our Shopify store. So you're just going to scroll down, you're going to hit access Shopify app screens, you're going to hit allow custom app development, and then you're going to hit create an app. For the name of the app, you're just going to go back to the AI Store Builder, and on step number 5, it tells you the name, so you're just going to copy Ecom Express up here. You're going to go back to the AI Store Builder, and you're going to paste it. Once you created the app, all you have to hit is configure admin API scopes, and you're just going to check every single box, and then once you're done, you're going to hit install app. So let me do this right now. And then you're gonna hit install app. Now you can go back to the AI Store Builder, you're gonna hit done. Now it's gonna ask you to authorize the Shopify integrations. So just scroll all the way down, and it's gonna ask you to copy the token. So go back to the Shopify, you're just gonna hit review token once, copy the token, you're gonna go back to the AI Store Builder, and you're gonna paste the token right here, and just hit save. Once it's saved, you can just hit done. So this is the part where you choose if you wanna continue with the beginner store, which is completely free, or if you wanna go with the premium AI store, which is $97. Honestly, if you're starting out with dropshipping, if you're new, just go with the beginner store just so you can get started. If you want something more premium or something more customized, you can go with the premium theme instead. But for the sake of this video, we're going to stick with the beginner store. So just scroll all the way down, and you're going to hit I want to continue with the beginner store. So once you're here, it's time for the AI Store Builder to actually customize your Shopify store. All you have to hit is customize my store. Now that our store has been customized successfully, all we have to hit is done. And now it's time for us to activate the free trial on Shopify. So all we have to do is scroll down, hit access Shopify plan screens. Once you're here, you're just going to hit confirm billing cycle. So this is the part where you enter all your personal information, and then you enter your payment method. Shopify is only charging $1 for the first 3 months, so take advantage of this deal right now. So I'm gonna put all my information in, and I'll be right back. Now that we entered all our information, all we have to hit is subscribe. And for the PLS Pro, you can just skip this, and you're good to go. Now you go back to the AI Store Builder, you're gonna hit check Shopify settings, and now you can hit done. This is the part where the AI Store Builder is gonna import the 20 winning products into your store. All you have to do is hit add products to your store. All right, now that the products have been added to our store, we can just hit done. And lastly, all we have to do is publish our Shopify store. So all you have to do is hit access Shopify, and then you're going to take off the password, and you're going to hit save. Now our AI's Shopify store is finished, and let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is the homepage of our AI store. At the top here, we have the banner where it says free shipping. Of course, you're gonna have to add a logo to brand your website in the header. But scrolling down, we have the featured products list. It imported the 20 products, and let's see what these products are. So we can just come here, and we're gonna go to catalog. So it imported this abnormal massage belt, this humidifier, these dog/cat products. We also have this dog car seat cover, this EMS foot massager that I've tested it in the past. We also have this Miami Gold Cuban bracelet. We have this slicer kitchen blade, whatever it's called. We have this beauty vacuum pour, and also this cat toy. Let's click on this cat toy and let's see what it looks like. So we have the product name right here. We have the price. We have the 2 different variants for this product. And if we scroll down, we have a little description that explains what the product does. And at the bottom here, we also have the recommended products at the bottom of the page. This store is perfect for the new beginners starting out because it already imports the 20 winning products into the store. It also includes the banners, and it also helps you configure the whole back end of your Shopify store. And once you finalize a few touches like adding the logo, fixing up a little bit of the product page, changing up the prices a little bit, you're gonna have a full store ready to advertise, ready to make your first ever sale. And this is it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this AI store builder that builds this complete Shopify store ready to go for you, ready to start, perfect for those beginners out there looking to get their hands on dropshipping, looking to make their first ever sale. If you enjoyed this content, please make sure to leave a like. Make sure to comment any questions you guys might have about the AI store builder in the comments, and I'll try to reply to every single one of you guys.